10th quarterly exam 2024 English. First question answer option A self. Second question answer option B natively. Third question answer option C instinctively. Fourth one antonyms option D destroy. Fifth one option A opened. Sixth one option D unexpected. Seventh one plural form option B heroes. Eighth one option B child இருக்கு அப்போ childhood. CD option A compact disc. 10th one phrasal verb option A take on. 11th one traffic கொடுத்துருக்காங்க option A jam traffic jam. 12th one